have a good day, and welcome to our Unfiltered Insights. And I'm Shine Ventura, the head of the artist management of Glorious Arts Production, and I'm with Heart. Heart, how are you? And can you tell us about yourself?
Hi everyone, my name is Heart Adap and you can call me Heart for short. I'm somewhat known as someone who enjoys traveling with friends, family, or even traveling alone. In my free time, I enjoy watching movies, dramas, and to also film myself everywhere, including dance. I'm excited to be in this interview and to share with you more about me.
Wow, that's good to hear. Thank you, Heart. And before we proceed to our interview, can we do this fast talk? Okay. So,
Sure.
can you tell me what's your favorite artist?
Favorite artist, Paramore.
Wow, Paramore. What is your favorite food?
Food, pizza, of course.
Pizza. Wow. What is your favorite color?
Color pink. I love
Wow.
pink.
And can you tell us about your talents? Do you have a talent?
Yes, I do have a talent. Yun, kasi sinabi ko siya kaninang introduction, I love dancing. And also, may knowledge ako about technology without even learning and just trying. In short, I'm a techie person.
Wow, Heart, that's good to hear. And can you tell us about your likes and dislikes? So, meron ka bang mga hindi gusto or mga nagugustuhan ng mga bagay? Can you tell us about that?
Yes, sure. Likes, umpisa natin sa likes. So, ang likes ko, to always have my me time. Like to watch alone or buy some stuff. And also, I like to eat anytime, anywhere.
Wow,
And
Heart,
also,
same tayo
yes,
dyan. Pwede mo ba ako isama dyan sa mga vlogs mo pag mga kain ka? And
sure,
mag-review tayo
magmukbang.
sa mga
Mukbang
restaurant.
tayo.
Ayan.
Yes.
Ayan. How
I
about your
also like
dislike?
to, yes, dislikes naman, dislikes. I don't like cats. Pusa. Yes, I don't
Bakit?
like
Bakit ayaw mo ng
cats.
pusa? Yung iba gustong-gusto yung pusa kasi medyo maamo. Bakit ikaw naman ayaw mo ng pusa?
Ayoko nung dumidikit sila sa akin. Ayun. Di ba, ganun kapag mga pusa, yung inaano ka nila, lumalapit sila sa'yo, dinidikitan ka nila. Iba kasi yung feeling ng ganun. Ayun.
Heart, can you share some of your favorite travel destination and experiences so far?
My favorite travel destinations and experiences so far is when I traveled in Ilocos Sur, Ilocos Norte, Pampanga, Palawan.
Wow, ang dami mo naman, Heart, na
Yes.
napuntahan. So, sa mga hindi nakakaalam, si Heart po kasi is a tourism students. So, required sa kanila na magpunta sa iba't ibang mga places. So, Heart, meron ka na bang international travels? Naka-experience ka na ba ng mga international travels?
International travel, yes. Back in way 2015. Hmm. So,
Oh, so matagal
bata-bata
na,
pa
Heart,
ako noon.
2015 pa. O,
So,
bata-bata
yung
pa.
bansa na pinuntahan ko noon is Hong Kong. Yeah.
Hong Kong. So, Hong Kong pa lang is your first international
Yes.
travel.
Hong
Ayan.
Kong pa lang.
So, what destination that you haven't gone so far that you dreamt of going? So, di ba, syempre may mga gusto tayong mga puntahan na mga lugar, pero pinapangarap natin na puntahan. Ayan. So, ano sa'yo yun? Kahit top 3 lang. Top 3 lang
Top
tayo.
3. Okay. Top 3.
Mm-mm.
Of course, hindi mawawala ang gusto ng lahat, South Korea. Yes.
Ay,
Kasi,
naku, gusto ko rin doon.
syempre, I'm an avid
Annyeong,
fan of K-drama.
Yes.
Yes. And locally naman, dito lang sa bansa natin, Cebu and
Mhm.
Bohol.
Cebu and Bohol yung gusto mong puntahan
Yes.
dito naman sa Philippines. And what inspires you the most to go travel the world?
What inspires me the most? I'm inspired by the thrill of adventure and excitement of exploring new things, and also it inspires me to go travel, not just here in the Philippines but all around the world.
Ayan. So baka hindi nila alam, Heart, na may fear of heights ka. Pero sabi mo kanina, you love travel and you love adventures. Paano mo na-overcome yung fear of heights mo?
Fear of heights, na overcome ko siya when I go traveling, kapag may ano, syempre yung mga kasama ko, pinupush ako na sakyan mo yung ganito para ma-overcome mo yung fear mo. So, syempre sa influence nila and sa excitement din, di ba, na itry mo yung new things, is, ayun, nawawala yung takot ko sa heights and go with the flow lang, ganyan.
So, ikaw yung pag-inaya, sige, kahit may fear of heights, go tayo. Ayan.
Yes.
So, Heart, ayan. So, traveling can sometimes be unpredictable, di ba? And can you share any memorable challenges or unexpected situations you faced while vlogging on the road? So, ano yung mga problems na encountered mo?
Problems na nai-encounter ko when I go travel is, syempre, yung bad weather. Kasi, when you go travel, ano, di ba, magaganda yung shots kapag outdoor, kapag about nature, ganyan. So, isa rin na unpredictable na challenges na naranasan ko is yung may malfunction sa filming equipments. Like, nalobat ka or sometimes full yung memory card mo sa phone or kaya sa camera na gamit mo. Ayan.
Ayan. So, what kind of travel experiences do you aim to showcase on your vlog?
The kind of travel experiences that I aim to showcase my vlog would be sharing my personal stories, challenges, and also my growth experiences while traveling. Kasi ayoko ng, syempre gusto ko i-share sa iba yung pag-travel ko, yung pag-document ko ng journey ko as I discover different destinations. So, ayun.
Ayan. So, kasama din ba sa mga vlogs mo yung magre-recommend ka ng mga places na pwede nilang puntahan sa mga
of course. Siyempre.
Ayan.
Siyempre,
So,
ano din.
Featured na mga places sa vlog ni Heart. Ayan. So, Heart, sabi dito, may question again ako sa'yo. How do you think you can maintain a balance between enjoying your travels and creating content for your vlog?
How can I maintain balance between enjoying my travels and creating content? So, I think I can maintain a balance between this by planning ahead. Like, mag-research ako ng pupuntahan kong destination, mag-create ako ng itinerary, and set specific times for filming and content creation.
So tamang-tama yun, Heart, sa na-share mo, yung number 1 is yung planning. Ayan. Okay.
Kasi,
anything you can add?
Kasi in this way, I can manage my time effectively, di ba? Tsaka also, by setting realistic goals din in deciding kung ilan ba yung videos na i-film ko, ilan ba yung films na i-produce ko during my trip. Ayun. So, being realistic. Ayun, lastly. Being realistic talaga.
Ayan. So, magandang tips yun, Heart, sa mga gusto din mag adventure vlog kagaya mo. Ayan. So, travel vlogging is highly competitive field. So, alam naman natin, Heart, na dami na rin gumagawa ng mga, travel vlogging, adventure vlogging. What do you think sets you apart from others? And what's your unique branding that you want others to see on your channel or pages?
First of all, yes, I agree. Kasi highly competitive talaga siya. Especially sa generation ngayon, generation namin. because most of the people likes to travel and vlog themselves. So I
Mm-mm.
think what sets me apart from others is how I can showcase and unravel the beauty of God's creation. Yun talaga.
Wow.
Kasi I want to capture not just the good side about that place, but also, alam mo yon, yung challenges and bad
Mm-mm.
side that people will
Mm-mm.
know and see. Yun talaga.
Yes.
And
Gusto ko
also
rin
yung,
makita yung bad side nung sa mga vlogs mo, hindi lang
yes,
yung puro good sides. Ayan, maganda
totoo
yan,
yan.
Heart. Parang kakaiba nga yun sa lahat ng mga magva-vlogs. And aside from that,
Aside from that, the unique branding din na gusto kong makita ng iba is probably yung realization nila about how our world needs our help and care. Kasi syempre, kailangan din ng world natin ng care, di ba? And gusto ko yung
mm,
channel ko is inspiration din sa lahat na maganda yung mundo natin. And hindi ko lang syempre i-document yung sarili ko na nagta-travel ako, pero syempre nakikita din nila yung cultures, nature, wonders of nature, and syempre yung joy na nakikita nila sa bawat tao, yung culture ng bawat tao doon sa places ng mga destinations. So, ayun.
wow,
Sabi,
to
and,
hear.
yes. And lastly, di ba sabi ko nga sa About Me ko, sa pages ko, my
Mm.
travel vlogs are more than just videos. They're windows into the heart and soul of each place I visit. So, ayun, yun lang.
Wow, ang ganda naman. Very unique talaga yung ganong intrada natin, Heart. Ayan. So, what are your 3 greatest reasons in deciding to become an artist or influencer?
My 3 greatest reason, syempre umpisa,
Mm-mm.
very first is, I was driven by my passion of creativity and to express myself freely to others. Kasi, di ba, sobrang challenging kasi kapag nandito ka sa
Mm-hmm.
pagiging influencer. And
Oo,
secondly,
totoo naman.
I decided to become an influencer kasi it provides a platform for me to inspire others and to seek positive impact and sharing also my knowledge and experiences. And lastly, I decided to become an influencer because I want to bring joy and raise awareness of important issues to people. Yeah.
Wow, very, very pageant ang datingan natin do'n, Ate Heart. Ay, pero maganda, ayan. Maganda yung greatest reasons mo bakit ka naging
Mm.
influencer. And what are the reasons why you decided to become a part of Glorious Arts Production? So bakit Glorious Arts Production yung napili mo na mag-manage sa'yo? Ay, ano yung reason?
Mm. So, I decided na maging part ng GAP or Glorious Arts Production because
Mm-mm.
this production shows that the artist they are showcasing has potential. Totoo naman kasi 'di ba,
Oo.
ina-express namin mga influencer yung potential namin. And this production believes that their artist is they can succeed soon. Yes. So, it is truly a God-given production for me. Kasi sa wakas, may sumusuport na sa akin sa pag-film ko everywhere. And sa journey ko na dati, hobby ko lang. Pero ngayon is nandiyan na yung gap to support and guide me as I showcase my content sa lahat. So, ayan.
Oh, wow. So, parang Glorious Arts Production talaga yung hinahanap mo na mag-ha-handle sa'yo. Ayan. So, ang saya naman pakinggan yun. What are your expectations in your journey in becoming the creator behind Heart Venture Diaries?
So, I expect to invest significant amount of time and effort na ipuput ko into my travel vlogging career. Kasi being this kind of vlogger is challenging, di ba? Sabi nga natin kanina. So,
Mm-hmm.
to be honest, yon, very challenging. But by the help of everyone who is supporting me you guys and also the gap is I know that every time I film, all of the efforts will be worth it. Kasi, ayun, sa tulong nyo, alam ko na magsasucceed ako. And I expect that I will improve eventually with the contents and to consistently enjoy every time I film. And different contents is syempre very exciting para sa akin. So, ayun.
Ah, thank you, Heart. And what are we going to expect from you being the travel vlogger of Glorious Arts Productions?
Okay, so being the first travel vlogger of GAP is sobrang nakaka-pressure, to be honest.
Mm.
For me, kasi baka madami kayong ine-expect na hindi ko magawa, 'di ba? Pero I know for sure na yung journey kong to as a travel vlogger of Glorious Arts Production will be worth it and truly unique
Mm.
sa lahat. Kasi, bakit? Kasi I'm a child of God and you will inspired on
Amen.
how the Lord makes our world beautiful by the different destinations I will showcase. Na syempre, kasama kayo. So stay tuned for that soon.
Wow. So I like that answer, Heart. Ayan. So we are a child of God. Yan, tama yun. Na kung meron man mga challenges na makakaharap natin, di ba? Pero nandun lagi tayong pinapaalalahanan that we are a child of God. And this is my last question to you, Heart. What
Last
message
question
or
na.
inspiration? Yes, last question na. So gusto mo pa ata, Heart. Pero ito na, this is our
Okay.
last question. So what message or inspiration do you hope your travel vlog will convey to your viewers in not just being the heart venturer, but also an ambassador of Christ?
Wow, very beautiful yung question, no? So,
Ayun, syempre
ayun.
last question tapos parang pang beauty pageant.
Yes. So, ayun, gusto ko lang i-convey or iparating sa mga viewers ko. Hi, Heart Venturers! Yes. And as a passionate travel vlogger, I am to not only appreciate the beauty of this world, but also to find the beauty in the people I meet. Through my vlogs, I hope to inspire you to see the world with open eyes and open hearts. To embrace diversity na hindi lang sa places na pinupuntahan ko, pero syempre sa mga mamimit ko rin na mga tao kung ano yung gusto nilang i-share na stories about sa kanila. So, I strive to be a reflection of Christ's love, spreading compassion, unity, tolerance whenever I travel. So let's remember that travel is not just about the destination. It's about the journey, the people we meet along the way, and the love we can share.
Yes.
So, lastly, as your fellow heart venturer, come and join me on this adventure together. Through my vlogs, of course. Let's explore hindi lang sa kung ano yung mapapamalas ng mundo, but also the very intent of our hearts. So thank you for
Correct.
joining me in this journey, on this journey. And together, we can make a positive impact on the world. One travel vlog at a time. So, thank you!
Wow. Thank you so much, Heart. And again, we would like to promote Heart Venture Diaries to be launched on September 30. Ayan, so
Yes.
stay tuned. Kaya let us support Heart Adapt by subscribing, liking, and sharing all the social media account of Heart Venture Diaries. Ayan. So meron po tayong TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, and marami pa pong platforms sa ating Heart Ventures Diaries. And also to those who are aspiring to be an artist with the same passion and mission as we have, you can visit our website at www.gopprod.org or visit our FB page at Glorious Arts Prods and send us a message. Ayan. So we are looking for more vlog travel vlogs with Heart. Hi, Heart. And that's all for today.
Thank
Bye,
you
Heart.
guys. Bye bye.
Heart Venturers. See you.